When knee pain becomes a part of everyday life, even the simplest movements feel difficult. They came to us with chronic discomfort. 3 different patients, one shared struggle. With advanced knee replacement surgeries and expert care, we help them take their first step towards relief. Today, they're recovering well, regaining mobility, strength, and confidence.
He is my patient for more than 10 years now. He has been coming for almost 10 years with the pain in both the knees. And I think 9 years back, I did a high tibial osteotomy for his right knee because he was very young for bilateral knee replacement, and which lasted for 9 years. He was quite pain-free on the right knee for 9 years. Left knee was troubling him from day one, but then he was somehow not convinced to go for a surgery for the left knee. And he himself was saying, in fact, once I cross the age of 55, I'll get a total knee replacement done, sir, because I'm suffering a lot. He had a bowing of both the knees. So after 10 years, he came himself. He's like, yes, sir, now I want to get the surgery done. I'm mentally prepared for the surgery. And I told him that from first day post-surgery, you'll be walking once again. Your life will become very good. You'll be going to the toilet yourself from day one. So 2 days post-surgery, he's right in front of us at the moment. He's going to the toilet himself, and he's otherwise quite happy. He's more happy and more satisfied than what he thought it will be. So surgery has been quite successful for him, and I'm quite happy about it.
Take the first step towards a pain-free life with Apollo Hospitals Guwahati. Book your consultation today.